Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video we will discuss about three news. First one is about LG upcoming smartphones. Second is Huawei and Honor smartphones, and third one is about Oppo upcoming smartphone, actually foldable smartphone or slidable smartphone. First one is about LG. Viewers, CEO, as per the statement, uh, LG is considering all options for its loss-making business. And in the loss-making business, LG smartphone business is one of them. So, as this statement is made by CEO a few days back, actually a few weeks back, and in this couple of weeks, LG was trying to sell its smartphone business. But as per the Bloomberg report, they are claiming that LG failed to do so. LG was negotiating with the two groups. One group was from Germany, second one was from Vietnam, and the negotiations has been failed with both of them. Now LG is thinking to shut down its smartphone business. It means there will be, if they shut down, it means there will be a no smartphone of LG in the future. Right now, the situation of LG is that there is no production for smartphones, and in the start of the next month, April 2021, LG will make a decision and they will share their decision with the public and employees of LG as well. Viewers, about the rollable upcoming smartphone of LG, some sources are claiming that LG is working on rollable smartphone, whereas some are claiming that right now LG is not working on its rollable smartphone. But there is no confirmation yet, even until the first week of April or the mid of April. Second news is about the Huawei and Honor. Reviews: Huawei Honor was the subsidiary of Huawei, but now both Honor and Huawei are different companies. Before this, all smartphones which was by Honors, it was sold by Huawei. Right now, they both are different, and now CEO of Honors are is claiming that upcoming smartphone flagship will be better than Huawei Mate series and P series. Let's see. And the upcoming series of smartphone of Honors is coming in July 2021. Even Honor is working on its foldable or rollable smartphone as well, and some sources and some rumors are saying that they in the July 2021, with its super flagship, Honor will release its first foldable smartphone as well. Viewers, as we all know that there was a trade war between China and US. Because of this trade war, Huawei faced different sanctions. But now Honor is not a part of Huawei, so Honor is trying to strengthen their relationship with different suppliers, and we can expect that the difficulties about the procurement of new components buying was facing by Huawei. Honor will not face any kind of this sanction and this difficulty, so it will be a little more easy for the Honor. Viewers, if you talk about in the last Oppo is working on its smartphone, actually a slidable smartphone. Here you can see the video of its upcoming slidable smartphone. The model name is Oppo X 2021. As the name shows this model will be released in this year 2021, and we can expect in the second quarter of this year Oppo will release its first slidable smartphone. Although there is no confirmations about the specification or about the details, but as per different rumors, they are claiming on social media that the price will be around 1,700 to $2,000 for its Oppo X 2021. If you talk about the specifications, you can have the 8 GB and 256 GB, and camera, three rear camera, 64 megapixel will be the highest one rear camera, whereas if you talk about the selfie camera, it will be around 14 or 16 megapixel. And another interesting feature, stabilization of video in this Oppo X 2021. So, although there is no confirmation or any authentic, the news about it from the official sources. So let's see. We will have to wait. In my opinion, we will hear more about Oppo X 2021 in the mid of this year. So let's see. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.